Hello everyone, this is Sheshe, and today I am coming on to share with you the Heartfelt Creations Sweet Peony collection. It is the whole collection. It consists of 3 stamps and 3 dies. They all coordinate. So first up I want to share is the Peony Bud and Blossom set. It comes with the matching die and stamp set. I did stamp them out so you can see just how beautiful it is. What I plan to use this for is like stamping out backgrounds, makes beautiful backgrounds. You can also just die cut them and make some beautiful cards. So I did stamp it out so you can see just how pretty it is. I did do like some different tones. So here it is. It comes with a small floral of the peony and a big one. Same thing with the bud and a small one and a large. So I did die cut it out as well, so you can see how that looks in a small size. And as you can see, it cuts out so perfectly. So here's the small one, here's the large one, here's the large one, and the small one. And then I'll take out the stamp so you can see how large the stamp is. It's huge. So this is how, let me get rid of the glare. This is how big the stamp is. It's really, really big. Fits in the palm of my hand. So I really love that stamp. It's just so pretty. And just a gorgeous set here. So that's the first one. And again, you can get it standalone or matching dies. So I just did the I Want It All because, you know, comes with the paper pad and everything just coordinates beautifully. So I'll also show you the dies so you can just get an idea of what it looks like. Here is the dimensions if you need that information. Okay. Now some people need that. Okay, here are the dies. You want to look at that? Now there's a glare here. Let me just take them out. You can see just how that looks. Okay, that's how it looks in my hand and stuff like that. I know a lot of people like to see that. This is what it says on the information on the back, or the die information. Okay. So that is how it looks, you know, as a background and how it's stamped out. I thought it looked really pretty with just, you know, either or. Okay, so that's that one. Then next up, I know some people were curious how the flowers look. It comes in a large flower and a small flower. So here is the large flower set. I did stamp it out so you can just see how the large flower looks as a stamp and die cut. So you would cut out 4 flowers to make the flower. So this is how it comes, like this. And here's the information on the back for the large flower where you can see the leaves. So here's the information for the leaves and die. This is the image that it looks like. I'll show you how my large flower looks. This is what I made. I do plan to put some glitter on it. But I did put just some Week of Stella to make it sparkle. The flower, when it's complete, measures about 2 and a half. And then I did die cut the big leaves. So this is how the leaves look. And you can color them if you like. I didn't give them any color. I just wanted you to see how pretty they look. So that's that one. Now the small peonies, I did die cut. I don't know if you want to see the stamps. I'm sorry, let me back up for the large. Some people want to see this, the red rubber stamp, so I'll take it out so you can see that. So that's how it looks. And then if you want to see the dies as well, I'll do that as well. I know some people want to see that, so I try to be as thorough as possible. So here's the dies and the leaves. They all look like this. Okay. So I hope that is as thorough as possible for what you get with the large. Okay. Now, for my flower, as you can see, it has all these beautiful ridges. If you're interested in how this happened, if you're not familiar with the shaping molds, I'll share with you what that looks like. If you don't know what that looks like, I'll share with you what that looks like at the end. Okay, now the small flowers look like this, and I'll share with you what that looks like. It's just a smaller version. These come with a lot of flowers. This is how it looks on the back. These are the dimensions and everything. I apologize for the glare, but there's no other way to show you without the light flashing on there. And these are the dies that match. I'll take the red rubber out so you can see how it looks. They all come bundled like this, so when you stamp them out or die cut them out, you get a lot to die cut at once so that you don't have to keep stamping out a whole bunch of flowers. And same thing with the leaves. There's 3 leaves bundled up like this, and it'll die cut 3 at once. So it saves you a lot of time. Okay. Alright, I'll show you how my flower turned out. And I did put the leaf on there. I didn't put any sparkling anything on there, but again, as you can see the ridges, I made my flower look really realistic. So I really love how that turned out. This collection is really pretty. Now peonies, they are different colors, so if you don't like the color pink, you can make yours burgundy or like a orange color. You know, just Google what peonies look like and you can color them any color you wish. So I just colored mine this color because this is the traditional color, but come in all kinds of colors. So just so you know. Alright, I'm going to show you all the different cutouts of the flowers. I didn't cut that many leaves in the smaller version, but as you can see, the leaves that I did layer on here, this is how it looks. And if you have a problem with, you know, stamping out the flowers, just stamp them out in the coordinating inks that you're going to color your flowers. Don't stamp them out in black. Stamp them out in pink or whatever color you're going to ink your flowers. So that's my tip. But anyway, here are the flowers that I die cut. I die cut them in like a light pink, and then some are in the rosebud memento ink or memento ink. So, you know, when I did color them, as you can see, I did stamp them. You can't really tell that much. It has a little detail in there, but it still looks pretty. Okay, now I'm going to share with you a flip through of the paper pad. It's 24 sheets, double-sided, and here it is. Really pretty papers. Nice scenes for 6x6 or 4x4, 4x6 cards. Just really pretty colors and florals. And cut aparts. Okay, I'm going to turn it over so you can see the back. Oops, going a little bit too fast. That's really pretty. And that's the end. Okay, now in case you are not familiar with the shaping mold, how I got the ridges on my flowers. This is what it looks like. It comes in a package like this. You put your flowers in the mold, and this is how it gets the ridges. So I'll link the seller in the description box below where I got the collection and where I purchased the shaping molds from. So that's a closer look at the Sweet Peony collection. I hope this has been helpful for you. Take care and have a fabulous day.